Well, hi there, everybody. Good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here, dealing with some areas of low clouds and fog this morning. Other places have plenty of sunshine. It just depends on where you are. It's more in southern and western parts of the local 4 viewing area, but as you go farther north and northeast, not as much of that fog and cloud cover out there this morning. This should burn off pretty rapidly in the coming hours ahead as the sun has come out now, and should be a fairly sun-filled day out there. Might see partly cloudy skies out west, and then up in northern Nebraska there is a stalled out frontal boundary, and near that boundary we may see a couple of weak thunder showers develop here. There's our stationary front right there, which isn't really going to advance southward. Those will die off towards the evening hours. The rest of us seeing thickening clouds from the west-southwest in advance of our next disturbance that's going to pass through. Now, by tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, we might see an isolated shower or weak thunderstorm. It's not a great chance, though, but chances will be picking up through the day on Wednesday. Rain, thunderstorms becoming a little more hit or miss during the afternoon hours, and that would be good news for those that need rain. It would be bad news, of course, for those that don't need rain. So really, the best case scenario is if we can get rain to develop right about here. These are areas that have been very dry over the last week and a half and actually longer, but while other areas have had rain, these areas have not, and so we could use that rain. If this model could verify, that would be perfect if it could happen that way. But as we head into Wednesday night, we're still going to keep a few showers and thunderstorms around Wednesday night. And then Thursday, we actually get a better chance of rain and thunderstorms. We go from a 50-50 chance of Wednesday and Wednesday night to a more likely chance on Thursday, for a time at least. And then Thursday night, things will start to wind down. By Friday morning, most of it is done. There's not a great severe weather risk over the next couple of days with these rain and thunderstorm chances, but the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted western parts of the local 4 viewing area with a marginal threat of severe weather, mainly for large hail and damaging wind gusts. I don't think we'll see a lot of severe weather, but can't be completely ruled out. On to the temperatures for the next couple of days. Today will be the warmest day over probably the next week, if not longer, ahead of us here. Near average highs in the mid to upper 80s, perhaps some 90s up north. So very warm conditions. Might be a good pool day out there. Not super humid, but warm. But we've certainly had hotter conditions so far this month, so that's not too bad. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s for overnight lows tonight. I don't think we'll drop back too far. And then tomorrow a little cooler. Mostly, if I was generically speaking around the area, low to mid 80s for highs. Might be some upper 80s up north. But keep in mind, if rain and thunderstorms move into your area, you're likely going to see some rain-cooled air and cool back a little bit. So tomorrow's temperatures hinge on who gets rain and who doesn't. We're down into the 60s again for tomorrow night into Thursday morning. And then Thursday, with a better chance of rain, more clouds around, going to be a cooler day with a lot more in the way of mid and upper 70s, some lower 80s out there. These temperatures good 5 to 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. Well, let's look at that 7-day forecast first. We've kind of already talked about the 3 days ahead of us here. Again, tomorrow night, a 50-50 chance of rain and thunderstorms, and then we bump that up to a 70% chance on Thursday. Hopefully, some good rains coming to those that need it, and we keep the rain away from those that don't need any more rain, that have been hit very hard over the last week and a half or so. Rain chances quickly winding down Thursday night into early Friday. By the daytime hours Friday, I think we're dry, partly cloudy, highs back around 80 degrees, low 80s on Saturday as we get a very weak disturbance that might bring a very small chance of rain and thunderstorms to the area, and maybe slightly cooler for Sunday and Monday with highs upper 70s to near 80 degrees. You also notice those lows getting a little cooler down in the upper 50s, so some refreshing air heading into early August. Looking at the long-range forecast again today, near average, and then after that, it's pretty much all below average for at least the next 6 or 7 days, and maybe even beyond, all the way through the 6th of August. It looks like we're going to keep the trend towards cooler readings, so that would be welcome to see for quite some time if you're not a big fan of the big-time summer heat. It makes it easier to work outside when you have temperatures like this. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday, and looking forward to Wednesday, and hump day will be to the middle of the week already. Hard to believe. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.